Hi everyone, I'm here to share with you how you can participate in WordFest 2022. So this is 20 days of study messages and documentaries to sink your teeth into. So simply visit pcdl.tv and enter in the relevant details such as your name, email address and country in order to participate. Then once you reach the landing page, you can simply tap on WordFest, which is to the right of the video player on screen. Then go ahead and watch the message for the day. That is usually around 20 minutes long, full of insightful recaps of messages along with thought-provoking interviews as well, clips from the media. It's just so much in one. You can also go ahead and download the daily study guide, which pulls out key points from the study message for the day, as well as scriptures and exercises for you to enhance your meditation and study after you finished watching the message. Wonderful. So once you've gone through the study guide for yourself, go ahead and create your avatar and share with the world that you have done your daily study for the day in the WordFest 2022 program. And go ahead and post on social media with the following hashtags: hashtag WordFest 2022, hashtag Saturating Nations, hashtag Truth Prevails, hashtag I Spread Truth. Register to host your own WordFest 2022 outreach by simply tapping the register red button, which is just beneath the PCDL video player. Then this will generate a unique link for you to send to your contacts online, your friends, your family, those in your world, and all they have to do is simply tap on the link, enter your outreach room by simply putting in some information, and voila, they get to access the message of the day. You can hold outreaches online, on radio stations, at your workplace, in your gym, everywhere and anywhere there are people. Spread the word about WordFest 2022.